Here's how you can attach an object to a bone of your avatar. So, assuming you have the object ready, select it and go to the Object Constraint Properties tab, which is this here. Add Object Constraint. Under Relationship, go to Child of. And for the target, click the eyedropper. Make sure to select the armature of the avatar. It will say Object Armature. And under Bone, select the bone that you want to appare it to. In my case, this is the head bone. So I'll just search head, select this. And then click Set Inverse to fix the positioning. And now, if I was to go into pose mode, which I can do by selecting the armature, going up here and going to pose mode, and if I was to grab the head bone and rotate it with R on the keyboard, it will follow my avatar.